ofakayo. Can I go deeper?
Yes, go deeper, Papa.
And then, of course, if you are bottom, then it means you're the receiver.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But because times have changed and people are exploring, kukho ngoku abantu abazi-top verse, umuntu abeyi-verse bottom. Into ethetha ukuthi
Ima-ke manje bekuno-top kufakwa efaka kwano-bottom receiver.
Yes.
Now sekuno-transverse siyeza lapha ko-transgender sekuno-transverse manje.
Yeah.
What is that?
So transverse is, I need to be very careful with trans language because obviously under called trans, I'm gay. I know that trans is, for instance, if I'm born gay or born a guy and I go through the transition of being a woman, then you are considered a trans. But it's also been brought to my attention through friends and my work that, even if umtu akaka siki, that you can still consider yourself trans, which means you're on your journey to transition to become a woman or the other way around. So transverse, imagine and I'm gay and I decide gay. Let me be a woman, meaning I want a vagina. So I get this vagina, but then I'm verse, meaning in fact, while I'm going through the transition, the automatic reaction from Onyo Umtu is that if I'm going through trans, I'm a girl in bed.
You are a girl because you transitioned.
Yes, exactly. But now